Do you want healthy, blooming and long-lasting orchids at home? Today I will share new tips for caring for orchids that are simple but extremely effective, suitable for both beginners and experienced people. In today's video, you will discover an easy-to-apply organic method that not only helps the plant recover and propagate easily but also makes the flowers bloom brightly and last long, hanging on the branches attractively. Let's get started right away. This is an orchid after the flowering season is over. Because it belongs to the single-stem orchid group, if not cared for and the appropriate propagation methods are not applied, the plant will rarely produce offspring and the development process will also be slower than other types of orchids. Although the flower season is over, the orchid roots are very developed and healthy, with shiny green leaves. The flowers have gradually withered, but before that, it was very bright. But when I checked the branches, I found that there were still potential dormant buds that could be used for propagation. Just peel off the outer layer of the buds. They are completely capable of developing into a new orchid plant in the future. The dormant buds are still healthy. This is a sign that there is a high possibility that new roots will form at this location, creating a solid foundation for the orchid's growth. As for the wilted flowers, we need to remove them so that the plant can concentrate nutrients for the growth process. I use aloe vera as the first ingredient to make a natural fertilizer, providing nutrients for the plants. Cut a large piece of aloe vera and remove the green outer skin, keeping only the aloe vera flesh inside. This is the important ingredient that we will use to support the propagation process. If you are new to the channel, please hit the like and subscribe button to support me and so you don't miss any orchid care tips. It's great to have you along on this journey. Cut the aloe vera into small pieces because aloe vera contains abundant amino acids, vitamins A, B, C, E, and many trace minerals. These are all essential nutrients to help orchids grow comprehensively and healthily. Aloe vera has the ability to regenerate new cells, supporting the orchid's revival process. At the same time, aloe vera provides an abundant source of nutrients, helping to stimulate strong root growth, promote flower formation, and create conditions for the plant to grow healthier and more balanced. I prepared a clean glass jar and put all the chopped aloe vera inside. I use rice as the second ingredient to make natural fertilizer. I use 3 tablespoons of rice, which contains B vitamins, potassium, calcium, sodium, starch, and trace elements, acting as an organic fertilizer that helps plants grow comprehensively. I use 500 milliliters of warm water to help the aloe vera and rice release nutrients quickly. Stir the mixture well in warm water, as the warm temperature will stimulate the dissolving process. Cover tightly and let cool for 1 hour. After the aloe vera flesh has been cleaned, I use it to apply directly to the buds at the dormant eyes. This method helps provide nutrients directly and naturally, stimulates the buds to quickly wake up, and at the same time supports the development of healthier roots and young leaves. I put the aloe vera directly on the dormant buds of the flower branch to incubate. Use a clip to fix the aloe vera piece. This method helps nutrients penetrate slowly and continuously into the dormant buds, thereby stimulating budding and promoting the formation of young roots. Next, I covered the sleeping eye with a plastic bag for 1 hour, which helps to retain moisture and allows the aloe vera nutrients to penetrate. After 1 hour, the mixture of aloe vera and rice has been completely dissolved in water. At this point, I stir well to disperse the nutrients evenly. Then filter out the residue, keeping only the pure extracted water. This is a nutrient solution rich in minerals and vitamins, very suitable for caring for and restoring orchids. After 1 hour of incubation, the aloe vera has released all the necessary nutrients. At this point, we will gently remove the aloe vera from the orchid's dormant buds to prepare for the next care step. Immediately after removing the aloe vera, we continue to cover the buds with plastic bags to maintain stable humidity, creating favorable conditions for the buds to continue to be stimulated and developed. Method 1. Prepare a soft cotton pad, soak it in aloe vera nutrients. Then gently wipe the entire surface of the leaf. Gently wipe the top of the orchid leaves to remove any remaining dirt and mold. At the same time, wipe the underside to open the stomata, increasing the ability to absorb nutrients. Aloe vera contains antibacterial, antifungal compounds, and L-octine B, which helps orchids increase their resistance to fungal diseases. Rice water helps provide nutrients to keep the leaves green, strong, and increase the plant's resistance. Method 2. Use misting method. By putting aloe vera nutrients in a spray bottle. Then spray evenly over the entire leaf surface so that the plant absorbs nutrients naturally and quickly. When spraying, we focus on both sides of the leaves. The upper side helps clean dirt, and the lower side is where many stomata are concentrated, helping the plant absorb nutrients more effectively. Along with taking care of the main plant, we also need to pay attention to other orchids in the garden. Uniform care will help the entire orchid garden photosynthesize better. The metabolism process will take place strongly, thereby promoting the growth and sustainable development of each plant. Method 3. I apply direct watering. Choose a pot of the right size to hold water, helping the plant to soak while taking care of other plants. Water the nutrient solution directly into the base and roots of the orchid, helping the plant absorb essential micronutrients optimally, promoting the recovery process and sustainable development. Aloe vera juice is an effective organic solution to restore stunted, underdeveloped orchids, making them healthier. Rice water helps stimulate the growth of new roots, making the root system healthy and increasing the ability to absorb nutrients. When using nutrients, maintain a direct watering schedule every 2 weeks so that the plant absorbs just enough, avoids excess, and ensures stable growth. In the next step, I use a clean cotton towel to wipe off all the remaining nutrients on the orchid leaves. This helps to limit water stagnation, the cause of fungal diseases, especially in the very sensitive young leaf buds. After wiping clean, we proceed with regular care. Apply nutrients once every 2 weeks. When doing this, you need to lift the orchid to wipe the leaves and add nutrients. On normal days, you only need to care for the plant with clean water, watering to keep the substrate moist when it is dry. Thus, on average, the orchid will be supplemented with nutrients twice a month, combined with rotating the type of organic fertilizer. This method will help the plant grow strongly, develop roots, leaves, and flowers in a sustainable way. After wiping the leaves, I place the orchid in a garden area with soft light and good air circulation to create conditions for the plant to breathe, photosynthesize, and grow healthily. After 3 weeks of care with nutrients, the results are really obvious. Our orchid grows well, the leaves become clean, shiny, and there is absolutely no trace of mold. The young leaves begin to sprout and grow healthily. The root system grows exceptionally well. The young roots grow a lot, spreading to the edge of the pot, proving that the plant absorbs nutrients well and grows strongly. Besides, the previously withered flower has also sprouted new buds. The leaves are green and clean, helping the tree photosynthesize better, bringing lasting vitality. If we observe carefully, we will see that the roots in the pot also grow very strongly, long and healthy white. Next, we need to carefully check the previously formed flower buds to assess the growth status as well as the potential for flowering or new buds of the plant. Perhaps, a new plant has also appeared from the old flower branch, proving that with careful care, even on branches that have flowered, we can still propagate a new orchid. In addition, in the bud area, sprouts have begun to appear, signaling that the plant is continuing its growth cycle. To maintain this growth momentum, I will continue to mist the plant daily to keep it moist. Every 2 weeks, the plant will be supplemented with aloe vera and rice nutrients to promote growth, thanks to which the plant will have a brilliant flowering season and multiply many new orchid varieties. At the same time, to prevent mold, insects, or rainwater from splashing directly on the plant, I apply the method of covering the top with a plastic bag. After that, I place the plant in a location in the garden with soft light, shade, and ventilation. This is the ideal condition for the orchid to continue to grow and develop stably in the next stage. After 1 month, the results showed that our orchid has grown very well and beautifully. The plant has produced healthy new shoots. The tips are growing very strongly. The leaves are green, clean, and shiny, with no signs of fungus or disease. The clean, healthy root system combined with lush green leaves will help the plant photosynthesize strongly, ensuring that the plant has enough nutrients to grow and bloom brilliantly. If we continue to care for it by providing nutrients regularly, the plant will produce very beautiful flowers with deep and long-lasting colors. This is clear evidence that proper care will bring excellent results. The plant also has new growths besides flowering, showing the ability to grow in parallel, both flowering and propagation. This is a very valuable sign, because not only do we have flowers to enjoy, but we can also propagate healthy orchid seedlings. With precious orchid varieties, rare and beautiful flowers, we need to take advantage of this opportunity to propagate, expand the orchid garden, and retain good breed sources. When the plant has flowered, sprouted new leaves, and appeared healthy like this, It proves that the care is completely in the right direction. After this stage, we continue to bring the plant to a clean, green living environment with gentle light and suitable humidity so that the plant continues to grow strongly, maintain vitality and prepare for new flowering periods in the future. In the next step, using a razor blade, I will separate the young plant to propagate and grow into a new orchid. When cutting, just one decisive stroke, as gentle as a feather, right at the position that needs to be separated to avoid causing damage to both the mother plant and the young plant. Use a plastic cup with holes punched in it to allow for good air circulation and drainage. I use carefully treated pine bark to remove mold and bacteria. Then put the pine bark in the pot until it is almost full. Pine bark is durable and does not rot easily like other types of substrates, helping to save time and costs of periodically replacing the substrate. Next is a layer of moss to keep the moisture in order to cushion the new roots from being damaged and to have a soft, airy environment to cling to. When placing the plant in the pot, with the roots in good contact with the substrate, then cover it with a thin layer of moss on top to keep the roots moist. Thus, we have completed the process of planting the orchid in a new pot. During the post-planting care period, I will spray a light mist every day to keep the leaves and substrate moist. When the substrate is dry, add more water by misting to ensure moderate humidity for the plant. On normal days, just water with clean water and keep it moist regularly. Do not let the substrate dry out. During this period, there is no need to cover it with a plastic bag anymore. Instead, place the plant in a ventilated place with gentle and stable light. This way, the orchid will as easily photosynthesize, absorb nutrients and grow healthily in the natural environment. I applied this little trick to another orchid variety, and the result was amazing. Many healthy orchid shoots grew right from the flower stalk. This is a simple but highly effective method, helping us to propagate Phalaenopsis orchids easily and completely naturally at home. If you encounter any difficulties in the process of caring for and growing orchids, don't hesitate to leave me a comment. I'm always ready to support so that you can grow healthy, blooming orchids. I hope this sharing will be useful for you. If you find this method valuable, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and share it with many other orchid lovers so that we can learn together and spread the experience of breeding and caring for orchids effectively.